Omuthe Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Aden Duale ni ageire na giikaro na kiama kia mandagitari KMPDU kuria amaheire ciiraniro cia gutangikira mathina maria makoretwo makigweta na maria makoretwo magituma mambike migomo. Hindi ya giikaro giki Duale augite kugacira kwa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri ni undu urabatara unyitaniri munene wa anyiti itemi matiganite kuona uyu ti murigo wa ministry no iri wika, akiuga arigitani ni megutangikirwo.
This ministry and the colleagues I work with will remain committed to a constructive engagement, safeguarding the rights and the welfare of health workers, in ensuring the delivery of quality healthcare service across the country. So I am ready to engage with the Council of Governors since health is devolved, and on Monday at 10 o'clock the executive leadership of the Council of Governors and the Committee on Health of the Council of Governors, I have a meeting with them so that we discuss this issue.
Na ciĩgie mĩcara ya arigitani aria marĩ rungu rwa mũtaratara wa interns aria makoretwo makirihwo nĩ thirikari ciringi 70,000 handũ ha ciringi 260,000. Duale augite nĩ mekwaraniria na ministry ya kigina, ndudu ya maminista na president niguo kuiguithaniria, akimoria kuheaga mĩario kanya mbere ya kwambika mugomo.
2006 Kenya shillings for the interns. You have given me a lot of insight this morning. I'll consult the National Treasury, I'll consult the Cabinet, my colleagues, and I'll consult the President, and I will come back to you in about 2 to 3 weeks. It is better we always sort out our issues in our boardrooms and not in the streets. That is what I am.
Na ciĩgie uheani wa internship kuri aria marikia mathomo, Duale augite woyani ni wambiriirie na arigitani aya magatumwo mathibitari-ini tariki 1 mweri wa 7 mwaka uyu. Guku akiuga ona arigitani aria mandikirwo wira rungu rwa mubango wa UHC na matire mandikwo mawira ma gutura ni megutangikirwo.
The balloting for the internship has begun. The posting of the internships will be done on 1st of July. You have that commitment. And with your support and other stakeholders and the Council of Governors and the county government, we are planning to increase the number of facilities that can also accommodate internships.
Maya magithiaga na mbere ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni yamukirite njanjo 10,700 cia murimo wa mpox, no heani wa njanjo ici ni ukwambiriria ica ikuhi kuona andu 68 nio monekanite na murimo uyu. Kaunti 13 iria iri cingiriro-ini cia bururi iri ugwati-ini makiria.
And this vaccine we are receiving today has shown efficacy of up to 82% in reducing disease severity, transmission, and mortality, particularly among the vulnerable population.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mũirũrĩ.